Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to unbox, open and give my first impressions of the Lensgo Fog Machine Smoke S. Now I got this from Amazon Warehouse because it was substantially cheaper. This was an as new product, so hopefully it is as new. Let's find out. So with stuff from Amazon Warehouse, it comes in a variety of conditions. This is like new, but they're quite accurate with their conditions. And if you don't like something or you feel it's too used, you can send it back and get your money back. So here we've got the Fog Machine Smoke S. So let's open it up. Okay. So here we've got some sort of attachment here. We've got some instructions on how to use it. Lots of adapters. This is plastic. We have a remote control. We have all these sort of hoses and adapters. Now, one of the key things with a smoke machine is you need to have the smoke. So I'm going to see if I can find the smoke. This is the actual machine itself. We seem to have some sort of residue here, some wetness, because it's already got some sort of fog liquid inside. Maybe that's had a slight leak when it was being put back in. In this box here we've got additional liquid. Let's see how many we've got. We've got 3 liquids here, and let's see how many we've got in here. 1, 2. So I'm going to put these back in, and the last thing out of the packaging is the USB-C cable for charging. So I'm going to give it a go now. So I'm just going to do a quick test. So I need to press this to turn it on. Double click. Got some smoke coming out. Wow, look at that.